Welcome back to the channel. Right now we're on our way to a special area, a secluded area up in the wilderness, up in the mountain here. Whoa, almost slipped. Very icy underneath the snow. I got a few inches. It's coming down pretty hard right now. Have the Gus man with me today. We're gonna take you along this journey. Hope you guys are doing well. Thanks for tuning in. Oh, it's icy. Dang, look at this, it's all ice right here. Watch this. Ready? This is all glare ice. Fun. Oh boy. How fun is this? Yeah. We're gonna take a pretty steep hike up to the top of the hill. Probably about a mile. There's quite a few people in the parking lot, so I'm gonna keep him off leash for now, but we'll see what the future brings here. Some people don't like that. Snow's coming down pretty thick, beautiful. All right, this is our trail. Over here, bud. Stay close now. You gotta come back here. Guys. Come down. Come on down. Stay close. Good. Okay. Good. Wait for me. So I found this spot a few years ago. I haven't been up in a while. Sounded like gunshot. A dump truck or something. So I've been up here a couple years back, found this spot. It's secluded behind like a nice pine tree, a nice view. Not many people go there. So I thought I'd get him out. And I needed too. Nice, quiet, peaceful lunch. And conditions are perfect. So we're making our way up. He's doing really well. He keeps looking back to make sure I'm not too far. And I'll yell to him and he'll come right back. It's exactly what I wanted for him. First time on these trails without a leash. Too far. Too far back. Good boy. Yes. Good boy, honey. Thank you. It's like he knows. He's very smart. He stays on the trails. We haven't been out here in a very long time, and he knows exactly where to go. Stay. My voice commands are, he's listening to him. So proud of him. He won't go more than 50 feet, and he'll wait for me. Oh, someone's coming. Gus here? Gus, here. Here. Stay there. What is it, boy? Backtracking. We are halfway there. It's been a beautiful hike so far to our secret spot. Oh boy. See if he comes. Come on. Come on. Good training. Oh. Good boy. Good boy. Thank you. We're not going back down yet. All right, come on. Up. Up. Wait. 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 Gus, wait. Stay. He's not listening. Leader of the pack. As long as he comes back to me, you know. He's really excited. All right, we're at the... Whoa! We're at 2 different trailheads here. I'm gonna wait, see if he comes back again. Gus, here? You gotta wait for me. Okay, let's go figure this out. There's no other trails besides Gus's footprints, so I'm assuming nobody's up here. We have about 3 inches of fresh snow. Just him and I right now. He's still about 50 feet ahead of me. We're approaching the secret spot. I'm excited to see what it looks like now. We're at a bridge. He's hesitant. Hopefully he'll be all right going down. It's okay. What's the matter? Is it steep? You can't cross. You can't cross there. Hold on. Hold on a second. You got it. Hit it, boy. Oh, okay. We gotta go up there. We gotta cross this little stream. We got a winding, steep trail here to get to the spot. 5 minutes out. He knows exactly where we're going. He's never been there, but he knows. Can't see you. Gus it. Gus. You left me behind, man. All right, we made it. Now, obviously it's really hard to see. We're gonna be chilling right here. Gus, he wants to go back down. Now, you see through the trees here on a beautiful day, a blue sky day. You can see right over the mountain through these hemlocks. This way up here. Sorry guys, I don't mean to be yelling in the mic, but we're gonna try to find a spot up here. Maybe right underneath these trees here. Let's go down in here. Right underneath these. Right here. Stay close. Over here. Maybe I'll put them to this tree just for now. Let's stay a little bit more dry underneath here. Because over here is a big drop off. Beautiful. I know, I'm gonna get you some water here in a second there, bub. It took us an hour to get up here. Gonna eat something. Chill out, enjoy the view. If you stuck around this far, I appreciate you guys. Hit the like, subscribe. This is what we do. Outside, outdoors, outdoor adventures. Different things every week. Staying active. I brought the other meal, the pasta alla vodka with chicken today. All you do is add a half a cup of water. Call it a day. Should be delicious. I'm kind of on a hill, so I'm gonna stay close to this this tree here, where it's flat. Trying to look for my spork. I really hope I brought it. I'm gonna search through my bag one more time. Usually keep it in the igniter, but I can't find it. I don't even know if I have another option, to be honest. My fingers. So I should always double check before you leave the house. Could have just slipped out of the bag. Good news, I found it. When I was taking that out, it fell on the ground. I didn't want to use, my next option was going to use this to scoop it out and shovel it in my mouth, but I found it. Oh, I know. He doesn't know what to do with himself. So why we are waiting for that to boil up, today's juicy drink is Patagonia Prevision's non-alcoholic golden ale. Cheers. Pour this in the old chicken. Give it a stirring. Yeah. Whew. Smells good. Easy. Hot. Water's in. Give it a little stir. Let it sit. See if it beats the other meal we had last week. Biscuits and gravy. All right. "10 minutes, we'll be rolling." Still coming down pretty good. I've only seen a couple people down at the lower trails. This tree's perfect right here for us. Peaceful minus the crying, but it's okay. I can just hear the snow falling. Traffic way back. My favorite spot. Glad I came out. Show you guys around a little bit. Not much to see but snowy trees, but thought I'd bring you along. Calm, peaceful little video. All right, let's try this chicken. It's been a few minutes. Looked a little bit watery when I showed you guys. It still is a little bit watery. I can never get it right. Why can I never get it right? Tasty. Give it a few more minutes. It's okay. It's okay, Waggy. It's okay, Waggy. Wagyu. Hey. Good little trip with you, huh? Huh? Okay, okay. You're getting crazy. I think this is for 2 servings. Or I think 2. Could be wrong. Oh, you stop it. But I'll probably eat the whole thing. What I love about these meals is it's so quick. It took about 5 minutes to boil the water. Oh, 7 minutes to wait for it to cook. It's not perfect, but I like the biscuits and gravy better. To my thumb. To my thumb. Okay. Here you go. Here. Here. No, hey. Right here. Well, I'm just packing up now. I'm gonna finish my beer. We have an hour hike going down the hill. It's gonna be an interesting one because it was icy. Underneath the snow is like glare ice. And I can't really use my poles because I have my camera that I'm using and it'd be just too much. So I gotta tiptoe down and just be careful. I'm not gonna show you guys down the whole hill. So I'll see you back at the car right now. What? Come on, Gus. Come on, Gus. Here we go. Come on. Come here. Here. Come on. Up. 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 Hey. Up. Up. Oh. All right, we're in the car. We're on our way out. Thanks for tuning in. Hit the like button, subscribe. See you next week on the next adventure. Bye, everybody.